Happy Tuesday and welcome to 25K Challenge for Apex part number 3. Let's go ahead and get straight to it. I entered a position into the euro dollar, of course. I'm entering an A setup right here. We had price action rejection, bounce off the EMA, RSI trending down, MACD looks like it's about to cross. It hasn't crossed officially. In the next candle, possibly it'll cross. So I entered a little bit prematurely. I don't have all of the odds in my favor, but I'm following the trend and keeping my stop loss tight. We're gonna do a different type of trading plan. My risk is to 909, and then my take profit is to 897. It's a tick under pre-market low. Let's see if it hits. But regardless, I'm selling 4 contracts at 897. That's 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, and then moving my last contract to break even, to allow the move to keep going if it needs to keep going. But for now, I'm just gonna secure my bag, which is my 1-to-1, and call it a day. So the euro dollar, since this morning, it's been selling off completely. Huge sell-off. So I'm just following the trend, and I drew this support range, which is pre-market low right over here. And then price action tried to break above EMAs, came back down, tried to break above EMAs, couldn't break above the 48 EMA again, tried to break above the 48, it did a false breakout, came back down, 48 EMA, blocked it. Like I said before, it's like a barrier, brought it back down, so I'm following the trend back down. So right now we're down on the play, but it's okay. Keeping my stop loss tight. Let me bring it down a tick, and I'll bring my stop to 908. 908 to protect it, and I'm gonna bring my take profit up a tick. Still 1-to-1. So if I get stopped out, it's fine. I just took a small little loss. No worries. The MACD has officially crossed down. So we're just trusting our strategy. And trust in riding the trend. We're just riding the trend. This is an A setup. I entered an A setup. An A setup is an EMA bounce with RSI below 50, trending down, and MACD crossing its signal line, indicating that it's going down. So let's see what the play does. Let's see what the play does. Remember, all I want is to secure my 1-to-1, capture a small move, and snowball my account to a bigger size until I can play bigger. But for now, sometimes I've realized that plays keep continuing to run after I get my 1-to-1. So what I want to do is secure my profit, move my last contract to break even, and just let it ride. If it keeps going, great. I'll gradually move it down. But if the price action comes back and stomps it out, it's okay. It's essentially a free trade. I didn't lose any money. Probably a little bit on fees, but I really didn't lose any money. It's a break-even trade. So yeah, right now it's just a waiting game aspect. There's a little there's a resistance level over here, right over here, the resistance level. It broke through it this morning because it had a lot of momentum. It just completely shattered right through it and didn't have a chance to retest it. So we're going to see if the sell-off continues to happen. Price is still trending down. MACD is getting a little bit more separation. EMAs are getting a more separation. The 13, look at the 13, it's deviating away from the 24 EMA. So the more spreading, the stronger the move. MACD, the more it spreads, the stronger the move. So we're just following the trend. You know, originally I wanted to enter up here, right off the bounce, but it was a little bit too premature early, so I didn't. So I entered just slightly late, but I mean, coulda, woulda, shoulda. All we can do now is manage the trade that we are in right now. So it's moving slow. The euro dollar moves pretty slow. You know, you can have faster moves with like with MES, with the SPY, or with MNQ, with QQQ, or with CL, with oil. Those move a little bit faster. But I decided to trade the euro dollar because it allows me to, it's a little bit more calm. It's very calm, it's very slow moving, and I can see the moves clearly, and I don't see a whole bunch of huge wicks, big wick down, big wick up, swing high. I don't see that much often. So that's why I chose to trade only the euro dollar. It's slow moving, but you know, I'm comfortable with the moves, and I'm studying all of its movements so I can know all of its reactions. So far, we've been having success trading the euro dollar. Look at the plays developing right in front of our eyes. MACD separation, EMA separation. It's splitting open, meaning that the trend is stronger to the downside, So we're right at there. Take profits at 898, just a few ticks away. Let's see if it's my take profit is literally at pre-market low. So let's see if it breaks pre-market low. So emphasis when trading, your psychology, mental strength, be confident in your plays. Your stop losses, don't move them up higher to give it more breathing room. Just accept your stop loss. Managing capital, managing your risk, playing small or large depending on your portfolio size. But it's the most of trading is all in here. Most of trading is all in here. That's what it is. So those are the aspects of trading. It's more up here. So if the play keeps developing down, I'll move my risk down a tick. I always usually most of the time put my risk to the 24 EMA to give it, you know, I guess some breathing room in a sense, to just in case price action comes up to the 13 EMA, which is a barrier, and it'll bounce off the 13 EMA. So that's why I put it at the 24. So right now we're just waiting. We're about 3 ticks away from my take profit. We're 2 ticks away. Almost there. Do I know if it's gonna hit my take profit? I don't know. See, I'm 2 ticks away. Is it gonna hit it? I have no clue. Let's just see what happens. Let's see what happens. If it starts going against me, I might move my stop loss a little bit down. If it doesn't, I'll bring it down. So it's all managing your risk. All managing your risk. And I'm not, having huge gains. I mean, I'm just having small little gains. I mean, right now I'm up like $6-7 per account, so that's $62. So that's the power of having multiple accounts. Even if like you make $10 in a day, times 10, that's $100 you made in a day in just like an hour of trading. Like, and then you just stack up your wins just like that. I mean, who wouldn't take that? Like, imagine like you work $20, like you work for $20 an hour. I mean, at least I do. $20 an hour in my day job times 8, that's $160. So imagine if I can make like $160 in like an hour. That's good money, dude. That's good money. And imagine stacking that. That's like supplemental money. And imagine just stacking that, for a while, and you're good to go. So this little doji candle. Doji candle, it just means that's the price action here is not that strong. So we're gonna keep having faith in our play. Oh, we're a tick away. We are a tick away. We are a tick away. Is it gonna give it to me? Am I gonna hit pre-market low? Am I gonna hit pre-market low? I'm literally a tick away. It's like the last time. I'm like a tick away. Just give it to me, dude. Just give me the damn tick. I'm a tick away. Just drop down. Hit pre-market low. It's teasing me. It's giving me blue balls, bro. It's giving me blue balls. Bro, go! Go down! Hit my take profit! Bro! Just hit it! Are you serious right now? Are you serious right now? Are you serious right now? It's not gonna hit it? Bro, just hit it! I'm a tick away! Thank you! Jesus Christ! Jesus Christ, thank you. So now we're gonna put our
order submitted.
Our stop at break even. So I secured my 4 contracts and now I'm putting my stop at break even. So if the play keeps developing, right now it's hovering around pre-market low. It's hovering around pre-market low. Pre-market low, pre-market low, pre-market low. It's attempting to break pre-market low. And if the play keeps developing like it's doing right now it's giving me a 1.5 risk reward ratio. If it moves down to 2 to 1 risk reward ratio, see that's exactly what my plan is unfolding in real time right now. Let me move my stop. Probably no, I'll keep my stop there. All right, it just hit 2 to 1. So let me move my stop to 1 to 1, which is 98. I'm sorry, 898. Move my stop right there. So now I secured 1 to 1. So now it's dropped down to 2 to 1. It's like 1.5. And I'm gonna just leave it there. I'm gonna leave it at 1 to 1. So if it keeps dropping down, I'll just move it down again. So it's, let's see, is it getting supported there? Look at the wick right here. This wick means buying pressure. It's getting bought up. I got stopped out. But that's okay. That's okay because I still made good money. I still made good money. So we're good. So it went to 2 to 1, and then look at the big wick that formed. Buying pressure formed right here. So it tried to break below pre-market low, but the buyer stepped in and bought it back up to bring it there. So let's see. Well, I mean, let's see. I don't know who's gonna win. The buyers, the sellers. I don't know who's gonna win. I don't know who's gonna win. It could easily just keep going down. But we'll know that once the market continues to go on through the day. But I mean, we're not gonna be making the video that long. We're just here showing my progress. So that's a perfect example of managing your risk, managing your position, trusting your setup, trusting your play. This is what I call an A setup. The trade that I just entered and I just won is what I call an A setup. An A setup is multiple odds stacked in my favor. So we have an EMA bounce here, bounce. RSI under 50, good, going down. MACD cross, good. I have multiple factors in my favor indicating that the price is going down. And that's exactly what I want. And I just had faith in my play, in my strategy. EMAs separating, pointing down. I have extreme confirmation that price is going down, and that's exactly what it did. But now the buyers and sellers are struggling right here, trying to figure out is it gonna support itself out pre-market low and try to push back up, and probably maybe push back up to this resistance, or the sellers are gonna step in and keep on continuing to break it down. Who knows? Because there's strong momentum to the downside. Look, it's been selling off since very early in the morning. This has to be like 3 a.m. all the way down. And over here, this is like a major support level that I had, and it just broke right through it like nothing. So let's review my account. Let's review my account. 30 times 10, $300 minus fees is $26, $260. What did I just say? I would make $20 an hour. 8 hours, that's 160. This is 260. I just made 2 days worth of work in what, 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes? 2 days worth of work in 20 minutes. What more do you want? So this is exactly what I'm gonna do. Just continue stacking my little wins and let it snowball. Let it snowball. So, and these are my accounts starting from PAPX1 right here. These are my 2 real accounts, 2 real funded accounts. They're down bad right now. It's fine, it's fine. But I'm bringing them back up, and these are the rest that I'm trying to pass. These 3, 1, 2, 3, I'm closest to pass, and then these are the new ones that I just bought like 2 weeks ago. So we're just stacking the wins, stack the wins, and then eventually we'll play bigger, and then we'll continue on that plan. I think that's a solid plan for me until I mature in trading and find something better. But I'm gonna secure my 101, bring my stops down and break even, allow a free trade, and if it keeps going, great. But if it doesn't, that's okay, because it's a free trade. So that is part 3 of my Apex 25K funded challenge.